Now let's check on your local forecast. The National Weather Service. Central Daylight Time. At 6:22 Central Daylight Time. The thunderstorm was located near Lone Grove, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters reported 60 miles per hour wind gusts and hail up to the size of ping pong balls with this storm near Lone Grove. A wall cloud has also been observed. Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Lone Grove, Dixon, Gene Autry, Lake Murray, and Overbrook. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 25 and 37. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement.